Whatever the case, today we want to focus mainly on a hard freeze warning. So, what is a hard freeze? Hard freeze is defined as any period of time when the temperature is below 28 degrees for at least 4 hours. In the event of a hard freeze, Fort Rucker as well as Corvias will put out a warning. The warning can be found on the marquee located in each neighborhood. So what do we do in the event of a hard freeze? The first thing you want to do is open the kitchen and bathroom sink cabinets to allow warm air to recirculate around the plumbing underneath. This should keep the pipes from freezing and causing a much larger mess later on. The second thing that we want to do is let the water drip in the bathroom sink at the furthest point from the front of the home. It shouldn't take more than a string the size of a pen or slightly smaller than a pencil. The third thing we want to do is keep the garage door closed. The reason for this is your garage is an unconditioned area, and if the garage door is left open, it could allow the water heater that's in there to freeze as well as the water lines that are in the wall. The fourth thing you need to do is keep your thermostat set at a consistent temperature. The reason for this is if you're out of the home and set the temperature down low, come home and turn it up way high, then your heater has to work twice as hard to maintain that temperature. As well as with our homes being equipped with heat pumps, when you turn the temperature way up, it calls for the heat strips to turn on using much more electricity. The fifth thing to note is if you're going to be out of town during a hard freeze, make sure you leave your heater turned on and set no less than 55 degrees. Also, again, make sure you leave the cabinets underneath the kitchen and bathroom sinks open. And it's not a bad idea to get a friend to check on your home to make sure nothing goes wrong. The sixth thing that we want to talk about is your pets. If you have pets that stay outdoors, they need to have access to a shelter and warm bedding. Now, pets in the cold tend to eat more food because just like us, they burn more calories trying to stay warm. And also, it's not a bad idea to make sure that they have access to unfrozen drinkable water. If you have cats that stay outdoors, it's worth noting that cats will curl up against almost anything to try to stay warm, including car motors. So before you start your car, it's not a bad idea to check underneath your car as well as make plenty of noise, such as blowing your horn, to make sure you scare any cats away. Now, should something go wrong, such as a frozen water line, a busted water line, or you feel like your heater's not keeping up, just know that we're only one call away. Call the number for your local community center and we'll have a maintenance tech to your home as soon as possible. That's all I've got. As always, if you have any questions or need anything, don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks for your time and I hope you have a great day.